When you're Bill Murray, you can get away with anything, but the clashing outfit the French Dispatch star wore at Cannes is pushing it. I would like this picture of Bill Murray wearing this outfit and 2 watches to the premiere of the French Dispatch preserved and put up at the Louvre next to the Mona Lisa, tweeted Twitter user @Delolini on July 15, sharing the viral photo of Bill, 70, alongside his Dispatch co-stars Timothée Chalamet and Tilda Swinton, as well as the film's director, Wes Anderson. The balance of his outfit in contrast to Tilda Swinton's sharp suit is high art. Bill's outfit at the Cannes photo call really was something to behold, a short-sleeve button-up that looked like it was made out of 2 Hawaiian shirts hastily sewn together, a white fedora, baby blue shorts, running shoes, and 2 watches. Bill Murray must have paid millions for this, one fan tweeted. Bill Murray sporting the new Dan Flashes collection at Cannes 2021, added another. Bill Murray's shirt. Bill Murray's shorts. Bill Murray's hat. Bill Murray's second watch. Bill Murray looks like he's one of the 4 horsemen of the fashion apocalypse. The picture itself is pretty shocking. Timothée, 25, dressed like he was ready to pop into a punk club to catch a show by the Gunlocks or Night Watchers. The young star of the French Dispatch rocked an Elara in God We Trust t-shirt, black pants, and heavy-duty Givenchy boots, per Vogue. Wes, 52, dressed exactly how you would expect him to dress, as if he walked off a Wes Anderson film. Meanwhile, Tilda, 60, was stunning, as always, wearing a blue Heider Ackermann suit. The image spawned a meme of users describing the 4, TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, FB, NY Mag, The Atlantic, The New Yorker, Harper's, Alamo Drafthouse, New Beverly, Vista, Lamley and Brooklyn, Queens, Manhattan, the Bronx. However, for the premiere of the French Dispatch, Bill did suit up in a classic black tux. The film earned a massive standing ovation from the audience. As the stars stood up to take in the applause, Tilda reached over to give Timothée a pat on the back and a sweet hug. She then turned him around towards a camera that projected their image on the screen, to show that she had stuck her seat's name tag to the back of his glittery, metallic, Tom Ford suit jacket.